This Podavelle 5/8 outside diameter aluminum fuel line coil offers a generous 25-foot length, giving plenty of material for complete fuel system plumbing on custom or restoration projects. The tubing is made from 3003 grade aluminum alloy, which is known for combining low weight with strong resistance to corrosion in automotive environments. It is easy to cut, bend, flare, and polish, so fabricating clean, precise runs around tight engine bays or chassis components is straightforward even for home builders. A maximum working pressure rating of 650 pounds per square inch makes this hardline suitable for many high-performance fuel and fluid systems when installed correctly. Its compatibility with gasoline, diesel, ethanol blends, including E85, oil, water, and air, means the same coil can serve multiple roles across a vehicle or shop setup. The line is designed to work with standard tube nuts, sleeves, and 37-degree flared AN fittings, so it integrates smoothly with common performance plumbing hardware.